Menteri Sorkar bat nongalam ke BJP u Bah Sanbor Shlai haka pratrik yayong. Ula ong baki nongalam ke BJP na Delhi. Kila ai ke jingmynjur ban penyeng kertong na kebentak election shiteng samoy. Jong ke Shillong Lok Sabha. Haba benrap ba ulong u balakre ban mi ya ai reng lada ke parti ke rai ban penyeng ya u. Kakai pon na state president bat kinong tre ke parti lada ban pa shiki bor bahalor jong ke parti. Ka parti na Delhi kala ai ka jingmynjur bangi haban iakhun ya kanik election shiteng samoy ong u Bah Sanbor haba keren Syllad pathai kubor. Ula ong baka jingkot application kampat sedang satya Henry hakasngi bangi rakhi ya kalingku snam ka basa punyo jong ka parti kila ong baki nongelam na Delhi kila ai ka jingmynjur ya state president Henry undang khot yak application ula benram. Haba keli la kloi ban mi ya ai reng hakanik election u Bah Sanbor ula ong ngadai usipai u badan disiplin jong ka parti. Ladai ki bor bahalor jong ka parti ne ki nongelam ke jela ki baha ya nga ban mi iakhun kumta kum usipai badan disiplin ngan haban mi samadan thama ban iakhun. Haba penken mau ya kajing syat jiet jong u ban ya ai reng ha u arjar khat kendai ula ong. Ha usnam arjar khat kendai klem da poi perkhat tanglai tayo shwa ke election MP na kalyang ke office ka parti ha ka puar khat ar baje minmiet kila phone ya nga bat pentip baka shithi kala 1 point na Delhi bala jet ya nga kum ukertong banya khun na ka BJP ha u arja khat kendai kum usipai badan disiplin jong ka parti ha kasngi ka babut mardor kala sedang ban penkre super khan tanglai tayo ngala yo por ban yalap election na kabenta lai penrio tri constituency. Ha kani ka kenti ka bamenta ngamtip yanu ka parti ka jid ban longkum ukertong ban rap u Bah Sanbor.
You see, based on the report from the president and other party workers, so they had a communication with our party high command and especially the in charge, Shri Anthony G. So the party from Delhi, they have given a green signal that we have to contest. BJP have to contest the election, but invitation of application we have not heard. Then yes, that day we have the foundation day, just 2 days ago, foundation day of the party, 47 for foundation day of the party. So we were there, but they said we have not. They only they have given a green signal to the president. So we are yet, this president is yet to call the application. Discipline soldier of the party. If the party high command or the state command came to contest, so as a discipline soldier, I have to go and to the battlefield and fight. Just to remind you, during the year 2019, unexpected, 3 weeks before the polling of the MP election, from party office at 12 o'clock midnight, they called me. Then they informed me that the mail came from Delhi that they have nominated you as the candidate for the BJP 2019. So as a discipline soldier of party too, next day I get it prepared only 3 weeks. 3 weeks, imagine, only 3 weeks to campaign for 36 constituencies, only 3 weeks. During 2019. So this time, though, I don't know whom the party will nominate.
But you want whoever be nominated be informed beforehand, no? Not like before.